it's gonna be like about €100 boots, real leather, nice shape, comfy boots. What are you looking for? Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've got this big box to unbox and we will try another pair of the boots. Today I'm wearing just a black and red outfit and I wish I could have a Louboutin inside. But today I'm wearing my Belmont boots because I love these buttons a lot. And this is the straight shape of the boot, so something different. Oh my god, how to open the parcel inside? Oh my god, it is not easy. Okay. Oh my god, look at the boxes. Can you see? What is that? Oh. These boxes, they are like, you know, what's happened to them? So inside I've got Gino Rossi boots that you will see soon. And today we will, as you can see, I've got size 38. It's gonna be like Chloe boots, and this is size 38 too. And this is another Eva Minge boots. So it's gonna be the Valentine's special boots today. And I hope you will like it. I'm not gonna open them. We will see if I will keep these boots because I have to say that I've got like enough. But and I should stop buying boots, honestly, because I don't just all these boots on the floor, they have no space in the wardrobe to put them there. But you know, I've got similar boots to them. Who knows? A similar model to these boots. Yeah, they are Khazar, and I've got similar boots with the strap on the side, and I will show you these boots in a minute. But the boots from Khazar, they are not available anymore anywhere. You can find them secondhand, but it is very difficult. And you have to be very lucky to find them, just like me, so you never know. But anyway, I found them really cheap and I'm so happy because I could trim them and they are perfect for me. But if you're looking for very similar boots, you wish to have the same, then you can go on Eva Minge website or Modivo, eobuwie or something, and you can find boots like this. They have no zip at all, so they cannot be trimmed because you won't put your foot, or maybe if someone will make a zip for you, then yeah, but they are nice, patent leather on the front, very nice and shiny, what I love. And we have a nice smooth leather on the back. Probably they will be, of course, too big for me. But like I said, I'm showing you them because so many people ask me for my Khazar boots. And since I found them, I think that they are just perfect to show you. If you're looking for the same, then you can go for it. So we have these boots. And very cool, I think. A heel, it isn't that high, probably it is like 9-10 centimeters, no more. And I have to say that Eva Minge boots, they are really well made, so they are like a masterpiece. They are really good. Quality of leather, it is incredible. Last time I showed you my Croco boots, they are also Eva Minge, and I love this boot so much. And I've got another one next to my mirror. Let's try them on because they are really beautiful, and I will show you the Khazar boots in a minute too. Or maybe I show you on the side. We'll see. Of course, not the same. This is not the same boots, I know, but I've got Khazar boots like this, and I love these boots so much. They are perfect. I wish that they could be of any. And then we have this. That they are similar. This is like very similar boot. I think Khazar, they are much higher. But anyway, they look incredible. Very easy to trim them, and you can... I think I've got another pair. Another pair, it is with the patent leather on the back. So much different. And I make them trim too, so they are incredible. This is boots that you won't find them anywhere. This is like unique piece. I love this finish. This is really well made boots, and this all details. Oh my god, one of my favorite boots, honestly. Look how skinny my legs are. Just, you can see a difference. But maybe I should show you the same. Just, this is how much they will be like oversized for me. Okay, let's try on the new Eva Minge boots. So you see, if you have like a little bit bigger calves than me, then you probably will find these boots perfect. And they are very cheap, very nice, high quality, and very cheap, low price. Maybe not for everyone, I know, but it's gonna be like about €100 boots, real leather, nice shape, comfy boots. What are you looking for from the boots? They are so beautiful. Leather, it is so good. Smells also well. Of course, it's not Gucci. They look so cool. I can't believe how comfy they are, honestly. And for me, size 38, it is okay. Just left the boot, it is like a bit too small. But when I'm walking, it is really, really, really good. So yeah, I can just recommend you these boots with all my heart because they are really nice, super comfy, cheap. Let me know, what do you think? Maybe they, with the zip, probably, if they will be nice and fit with the zip and everything, they could be even nicer, but they could be also oveni, but they are not, and we have to accept the boots as they are. So if you like them, I'll leave the link below for you. This is not any ad from any brand. This is just my honest opinion. I pay for everything, and I would like to just show you things that I can recommend because so many times you asking me questions from where I'm buying things, and even if something it is not available anymore, I'm trying to find you similar things. Like boots today, they are similar to Khazar, or the London boots. I don't remember the name of this brand. Oh my god. Made in Italy, leather sole. I don't remember the brand of these boots. It is something London, but I don't remember. This brand not exists anymore over the 20 and 2021. I think the brand just collapsed, and they sold out all these boots on eBay. I remember, like on the website, these boots I found for like £700-800, and they selling them on eBay for like £50, £70. Some people asking me that I spent so much money for the boots, but I'm always looking for offers. I'm always looking for any sales. Many of my boots, they are from second hands. They are from the other hand. Like some ladies, they selling boots because they not wearing them, still brand new in the box. So I found many on eBay from, like I said, the other hand. And you can do the same. You don't have to go to the shop and buy like boots for €1,000 or more. You can find them on eBay really cheap, and always you can put out an offer. Always you can ask someone just, hey, can you sell me them for less? Or you can just give someone a price, and you know, if sometimes someone say yes, but sometimes someone say no, and you have to like you have to always try. That's my advice. Okay, so that's it in my video today. A quick and surprise unboxing with the boots that maybe you will like. Let me know in the comments. I wish to know if you like these boots or not really. Maybe they should be over-knee. I don't know. Just for me, all boots, they could be over-knee and knee-high. It should be a choice. If I like, for example, the shape of the boot, I should have like choice if I like them over-knee or knee-high. These boots, they are very comfy to walk. They are, I don't know why, but all Eva Minge boots, they are so soft. You walk like on the cloud. It is just a wonderful experience and you have to try it. Maybe just try order one pair and let me know if you feel the same. So for now, this is it. Please subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. And please come back tomorrow for the more videos. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye!